So we have updated our Karma Yogi resource binder, and it has COVID compliant cleaning protocols. We're using 90% alcohol on our floors just to maximize safety. We've got hand sanitizer placed all around the facility, and we have a checklist for our cleaners to go through where they can check off all of their tasks. And it also includes a little piece about making sure that our cleaners are maximizing their safety when they're cleaning with us. Secondly, we have a mitigation and recovery plan for COVID, and this takes into account all of the phase 2 guidelines from the governor. So you'll see things like important hygiene policies, symptom monitoring, incident reporting, and so on. It also has all of our actions that we're taking here as coaches, and this is available for any of our clients to see and also for our staff to use so that they can make sure that they are maximizing their safety when they come here and coach at the Flow Shala. And lastly, we have a hold harmless agreement that all of our clients are signing upon re-entry. This is a checklist style document that allows them to just check off all of the little policies and protocols that we'll be implementing in the studio to maximize their safety as well.